My name is Eric Rosen, and I am a Fort Lauderdale car accident attorney, and I am here with Alex Litowsky, our litigation attorney here at Rosen Injury Law, and we are going to be talking about a bunch of different things dealing with car accidents in Fort Lauderdale. Alex, just introduce yourself a little bit and tell everyone about your background.
My name is Alexandra Litowsky. I am a civil litigation attorney here at Rosen Injury. I went to law school, worked full-time through law school, and was lucky enough to meet Mr. Rosen through that process. I had to pass the bar, and he came and he found me, and here I am.
So Alex Litowsky is incredibly talented, and we love having her here. And some of the major cases that we handle are car accidents, motorcycle accidents, pedestrian accidents. So I wanted to talk a little bit about car accidents in Fort Lauderdale and some of the things that we have been really looking for in the cases that we're working on. So tell us a little bit about the body cam footage and why it's been so important recently in the cases that we're working on.
So as far as body cam footage is concerned, a lot of the police departments, especially in South Florida, are mandating procedures that each and every one of their officers has body cam. Body cam records sound and visual. It shows the placement of the vehicles at the time of the crash, which is extremely important. It also records witness statements, statements of your client, and it's extremely important in evaluating a claim.
You know, I was just thinking about this recently, but we had a case where someone was involved in an accident and the other driver was blaming our client for the crash. This was, I won't get into the names of the cases, but I thought it was really interesting, Alex, that when we were able to obtain the body cam footage for that crash, we were able to get statements from the defendant driver on the police officer's body cam footage, placing him at fault. I mean, have you seen that being very important in the recent cases that you've been working on?
Absolutely. That's not the only case. We also had a case recently where the police officers actually put our client at fault for a crash. And by watching the body cam footage and seeing the placement of those vehicles, we understood that the police report was actually incorrect, and that the point of impact was completely different than what the police report reflected.
That's actually really a great point. So body cam footage is the hot topic. When I started practicing as a prosecutor many years ago, we didn't have body cam footage. It was very rare about 10 or 12 years ago to get body cam footage from a police officer's chest cam. But now it's like almost uniform across the board. And so it's important for a Fort Lauderdale car accident lawyer or a lawyer anywhere in Florida who's representing someone who's been injured to obtain that body cam footage right away, get it and be able to use it. Because have you seen, are some of the departments allowing that body cam footage to get deleted at some point, or are they keeping? What are you seeing?
Well, it depends on the department, really. I say 30 days. Just to be safe, 30 days, make that request. As long as the request is in, they'll usually maintain that body cam footage even past whatever their department says is procedure. So as long as you get that request in, as soon as you obtain that case, retain your client and put in the request for the police report, the body cam footage, 911 calls, all of it.
And that goes for anyone who's been in an accident. Make sure you tell your lawyer, hey, listen, please get the body cam footage because you don't want to lose it. It's the same thing with 911 recordings. When someone's in an accident and they make a 911 call, there's a lot of information that gets recorded, and some lawyers aren't requesting that data quickly enough so that they have it in their file. So same thing with body cam footage. It is important if you're in an accident to make sure that the attorney is preserving the important evidence for your case to help you win your case. So I think that's all we're going to talk about for today. What do you think?
I think we're good. Get those body cams.
Again, my name is Eric. This is Alex. We are at Rosen Injury Law. It is a pleasure speaking to you. Hope you enjoyed this video.